we really want to thank His Excellency the President because of the policy declaration he made to the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service to place government-sponsored students in private universities. This has been a very great opportunity for private universities, and Pioneer International University want to thank the government of Kenya for this. We look forward to building on this, and as Vice Chancellors from private universities, we'll continue to engage with the government to make sure that we consolidate and build on the gains that we already made. I know there are formative challenges, and I want to thank the government agencies, particularly the Ministry of Education, Higher Education Loans Board, the Commission for University Education, and the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, because we are working together with these government agencies so that we are in a position to work out and consolidate the gains that we have made because of this initiative. It is quite exciting for all private universities, and we thank the government and the Commission for assisting us to midwife through this new experience.